I'll trade you this cute dog puppet. Check this out. Nope. I want more.
How about a squishy watermelon?
Ooh, you got a deal.
Look what I have. An iPhone.
Whoa! I'll give you this giant lollipop. That's a good trade, right?
It's gonna take a lot more than that. Keep it coming.
Ugh, you drive a hard bargain.
I want more.
Are you kidding me? That's everything I have. This is gonna be so embarrassing. Happy?
Deal.
At last! Give me my… lollipop? Give me my thing!
Ooh, I wonder what's inside.
Can I open it, please? Whoa! It's a phone!
I wasn't expecting that. It's mine. Ooh, I like this game. This is fun.
Hey, that's not fair! There must be something else in here. This is so disappointing.
Better luck next time. Ugh, I can't grip the phone properly. What is that? Ugh, this can go.
Huh?
What's that?
Oh, wow! Ooh, this is cute! It's so squishy. Maybe I can squeeze this. Ooh, that feels good. It's kinda gross, but I love it.
It can't be! I was winning! No!
You're scary.
Ugh! Stupid game! I just wanna break something!
Take that!
I'm so mad!
Make it stop! Oh! Gabby, try this!
What? Give me that! This is perfect! It's nice and soft. I actually like this. I can feel my anger melting away. Ooh, I could do this all day. I love it!
Squeeze it! Go on!
Really? Okay. Here it goes.
Don't point it at me!
Whoa! Right in the face! Oops. It was an accident. But it was an impressive shot, right?
It's so gross! Ew!
Oh, what have we got this time? Let's open them together. Go for it.
Huh? That's it? One pea pod?
Oh, look at this. Wow. Let's have a closer look. Oh, I get it. It's a fidget toy. Ha! This is amazing. The peas keep popping up. Look, Ashley.
I don't think I've got a toy. What am I gonna do with this? Wait a minute.
Bonjour.
Does this belong to you?
Hand it over.
Whoa! Not so fast! Stop!
Look what you've done.
Sorry. Enjoy the pea pod. What will I do now? Maybe I can use these beads. But for what?
Hello, little pea.
Wait! I've got it! I need the beads and some rubber bands. I'll thread the rubber band through the hole. Just like this. Now to decorate the bead. I'll draw a smiley face on it. Aw, I look so happy. I've cut a piece of card into the shape of a pea pod. Now I'll glue the rubber band to the card. I want to cover the ends. It needs to be secure. When the glue's dry, I can fold the card over. Let's give it a squeeze! It looks great! Who needs a fancy fidget toy? This is just as good! Check this out!
Wow! Can I try? I'll trade you.
Okay. Why not?
Thanks. Here you go. Whoa, it's so good! You're so clever, Ashley! Well, this is boring.
Wow! I didn't expect that!
That was so cool. Let's have a look inside. Aw, come on. Toilet paper? What? I suppose I could keep it for later. Or use it as a telescope.
Toilet paper? Hey, can you see me?
Hey, it's not that funny. What have you got?
Oh yeah! I forgot about that. I hope it's something good. What is that? It's a peanut. I was hoping for something more exciting. What am I supposed to do with this? Oh, wait a minute. It's another peanut. Intriguing. There's a trail.
I guess it's just me and my toilet paper. What am I gonna do? This will pass the time. Huh? A peanut? What's this doing in my cereal?
Aha! Another clue! Don't mind me.
Ashley? You're not supposed to be here.
Ooh, the end of the trail. I'll take this.
Is this supposed to be fun?
What are you doing?
This is the worst.
I know. Hey, look at what I've got.
A mini tree trunk? I'm so confused.
What does it do?
Whoa!
No way! Did you see that?
I'm so jealous! All I've got is a toilet paper tube. Hold on. I know what to do! I've got a small strip of paper. I'll roll the toilet paper tube in it. Then stick the ends together. Now I'll draw some patterns on it. I want it to look like a tree trunk. That's looking good. Now I'll put this balloon inside the tube. I'll pull the end of the balloon through. The balloon fits perfectly. Next I'll stick some paper arms to the balloon. Just like this. I'll draw a face on the balloon. I don't want to pop it. Now I'll give the tube a squeeze. It's just how I imagined. Look at it! It keeps popping up! What do you think, Ashley?
Woo! I love it! They're our little popping buddies!
Aw, they're so adorable. I thought you were good at this?
Wow! I'll never get bored of that!
Can I open it?
Go for it!
Balloons. Lots and lots of balloons. They could have blown them up. Open yours.
Okay. I love surprises! Wow! Look at this! What is it? There's a toy car, too.
What does it do? It's better than balloons. I better start blowing. This might take a while. Let's try this again. What's wrong with these? Third time lucky. Look! I'm doing it! Gotta keep going! No! I'm done with balloons. You can have them.
There's gotta be more to this. Oh, Gabby's balloon. Wait, I wonder. I know what it does. I'll connect the car to the pig. Then I'll put the balloon on this nozzle. I think it's ready. Now I'll pump it up. It's working! I'll press this button. The car is driving! Look at it go! Wow, it's so cool!
Huh? What's with all the noise? Oh, look at that! That's so clever! This gives me an idea. Time to get to work. I need to make holes in this sheet of card. I've blown up a pink balloon, and I'll push it through a hole. I'll do the same with different colored balloons. I want the balloons to be the same color as the rose. The holes are all filled. Wow! It's like a giant simple dimple. I just need to push the balloons. It feels so good. Ashley, look what I made.
Huh? Wow! That looks fun! See? Balloons aren't so bad.
Toys are great fun. They help pass the time. And with a little imagination, you can make your own toys at home. What was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.
Hi, Jasmine. Let's do this. I was hoping you'd say that. Check this out. I've got so much slime. This is gonna be fun. It's so gooey. Time for sprinkles. Now I need to get my hands dirty. I'm looking forward to this. It feels really weird. But I love it. I'll fold it over. Then give it a squeeze. Wow, this is amazing. I could do this all day. What? Are you kidding me? This is so unfair. I wish I had slime. I've just got an empty candy wrapper. Wait, what's this? It's a marshmallow. Whoa, did you see that? I know what to do. I'll squirt cream into a bowl. That should do it. Then I'll add marshmallows. These love hearts will make it cute. Next, I need a hairdryer. This'll heat things up. Now I'll get my hands in there. It's so squishy. Wow, this is blowing my mind. And it tastes fantastic. What is that? Wait. I can't eat this. Whoa, look at those bubbles! Wow, they're so pretty. This is magical. It's the best class ever. Wait, they're gone. Aw, now I'm sad. I'm so confused. Wait, I have an idea. Oh, Butler.
Yes, ma'am.
We want bubbles. What are you waiting for?
This won't take long. Bubbles. Aha! This is what I need. This looks fun. What a cute duck. I'll take it. My work here is done.
Hurry up.
Your bubbles, ma'am. Quack, quack.
Oh, wow. This is wonderful. Wow. Let's make bubbles. Wow, it's better than I thought. Oh, can I try it? What? No. Get your own. That's so mean. Oh, I know. I can use these. They're perfect. I have an idea. I'll open up the bubbles. I'll add them to a jug. That should do it. Now I need the spring. I'll dip it into the bubble mixture. Next, I need a straw. Here goes. I'll lift the spring out of the bubbles. I'll blow through the straw. Then the magic happens. Wow! Look at that! It's so cool! Look at it go! It's moving up the spring. Now I can pop it. That was amazing! Huh? What'd you say? Hey! I want to try it! No. What? Really? How about now? Oh, okay. It's all yours. I hope you like it. Gimme, gimme. Let me help you. Whoa! I love being rich. Nothing could ruin this moment. Wait a minute. I'm forgetting something. It's Molly's birthday. I need to do something for her. Luckily, I planned everything out. This should be easy enough. I better make a call. Hello? I need your help. Okay, bye. Now I wait. Whoa, what a cake. It looks good. That's one thing I can cross off my list. Cake, done. What's next? The party supplies. Shopping time! This is perfect! There's so much to choose from. Ooh, this is pretty. We'll need cups. This is going well. The decor is done. And now for the important thing. The present! What does Molly like? My favorite animals are dolphins. They're just so cute. Oh, I love them. Dolphins, huh? That'll do. I'm looking for a dolphin.
Dolphin. Okay.
This is gonna be so special. I think it's ready. What's going on out there? Hello? Who's there? I better investigate. Happy birthday! What a surprise! Wow, what a cake! And a party hat? Don't forget a gift! You shouldn't have! This is so kind! It's so exciting! Whoa! A dolphin! How did you know? I'm gonna paint it. It'll be adorable. I've only got the tail to go. How does it look? It's a work of art! This is the best birthday ever! Thanks, Jasmine! Anytime, bestie!